Hi everyone and welcome back to Pagkaing Pinoy TV. So for those coffee lover, finally I'm going to make Dalgona coffee. In a small bowl, we're going to combine instant coffee, brown sugar, and water. Using a handheld electric mixer, whisk at the lowest speed until the coffee and sugar are dissolved. Alternatively, you can also whip it manually using a balloon whisk, but it may take longer. Now we're going to change it to high speed and mix it for about 1 to 2 minutes or until soft peaks form. To assemble, I'm going to put some ice cubes in a tall glass and I will fill about 2/3 cup of cold milk. Lastly, I'm going to put the whipped coffee on top. Just keep on putting generous amount of whipped coffee. This Dalgona coffee is a new trend that makes everyone crazy in social media. I hope you can also try this recipe. I also want to transfer some of the mixture into a piping bag and put it on top of the cold milk. This way, it would look nicer. However, you can also use an ice cream scooper or a spoon. So I'm going to assemble a second glass. I'm going to add some ice cubes and fill it with 2/3 cup of cold water. Then I'm going to top it with the whipped mixture using a piping bag. For those coffee lovers out there, I'm sure you will like this recipe. Try it and let me know how it goes for you. So that's how we make the trending Dalgona coffee. I hope you can try this recipe, and don't forget to click on subscribe, tap the bell icon to receive notifications on our latest video. And if you have any suggestion that you want me to do next on my next video, just comment it down below. Don't forget to visit our website at www.pagkaingpinoytv.com to get the full recipe. Follow us in Instagram and Facebook at Pagkaing Pinoy TV 1, where we also post our daily recipes. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. See you next time. Bye!